It's summertime. Well, almost. Hi, David Hill to tell you about a highlight of my year every year, Truth Bible Camp, held here on our campus at Tennessee Bible College every June. Boys and girls come to spend a week with us and not only learn the gospel, but also how to communicate it to others. Been going on for 28 years and has grown to capacity. This year, we're going to apply the parable statement of Jesus, go to work in my vineyard, Matthew 21:28, with the defining statement of our Lord, my kingdom is not of this world, John 18:36. Going to be full, and that's great. Each camper prepares a lesson with the opportunity to deliver it. They host a ladies' day and participate in a vacation Bible school. On-the-job training. There's Bible for that. Paul with young Timothy, Acts 16. You're invited to attend and support these good kids who are devoting a week of their summer to practical spiritual training. All work and no play makes us dull. There's a lot of activity in addition. In fact, I don't know how they do it. They run nonstop from the time they get here till the time they leave. That's youth. The blessings of youth. Truth Bible Camp, June 8 through 12, 2025. Don't miss it.
Thank you for listening to One Gospel Minute. Stay in touch with our podcast on our website and on Apple, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever fine podcasts are distributed. Tennessee Bible College, providing Christian education since 1975 in Cookeville, Tennessee, offers undergraduate and graduate programs. Study at your level. Aim higher. Get in touch with us today.
Don't you want to go to heaven when you die?